I have indeed a great pleasure to welcome all the franchisees of Indian Abacus from Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry who are present here for this first franchise meet. It is very special today for all of us because this is the first meeting that we are holding after the inception of the company. As you may be aware, we have started off well and are now making very steady progress expanding the network of franchisees. We have signed 35 franchisees and 2 state franchisees so far. The numbers are fast increasing and spreading across different states. You should also be glad to know that very shortly we will have first couple of franchise centers in the overseas locations. You all know that the company's primary objective has been to offer the best of the products almost at the same cost that are ruling in the market now. Offer the best of program, the content and the training that provides the students greater joy in learning and the tutors greater easy to enthuse and make the children learn and excel. Offer the best of program administration thanks to our past experience, our efforts and the market feedback. We shall of course continue to strive better with more dedication by pushing further the qualitative objectives. We have been so far fairly successful in our attempts to achieve what we have planned, though it is a long way to go yet, especially since now the boundary is not India. Indian Abacus tools both for students and the tutor. You should all feel proud that they are unique in their design and features and there is currently no matching quality of abacus tool in the market worldwide, which makes the children learn easier, faster and in a stress-free mode. We have not only achieved the quality that we have worked for, but also established the right sources and the expertise to make the large quantities required by us on a continuous basis. You all know that the company provides Indian Abacus products as well as the skills training through the franchise centers. While the products are now standardized by the company by giving them the cutting edge in the market competition, the center-based activities, infrastructure, skills training and program administration are in your hands as franchisees. Unless you all work to the plan and the procedure following the rules and guidelines, it is therefore a franchisee very essential that you follow every aspect of franchise operations with all sincerity and with dedicated efforts only when our common objectives could be fulfilled. Every franchise center should have the basic level of infrastructure and the required supporting features to provide the right learning environment for children so that they excel. Every franchise center should have well-trained abacus tutor who have dedicated and children loving so that with the sincere and dedicated efforts make them excel in their skills. Every franchise center should have optimum level student enrollment. If the above objectives have to be achieved in a fulfilling manner, all the franchises should have complete knowledge of operations of the center and they should execute the required tasks very meticulously. Today's presentations cover important aspects of franchise operations which all the franchisees can benefit from. Please be present all through the participate actively in the open session to get clarified on the issues that you have and make the deliberations of today objectives and useful so that we all benefit out of the meeting. I once again welcome you all for an active participation. Thank you.